How's it going, everyone? Michigan 1777 here. I received a package today. It's an exciting one, definitely. As you can see, this is the Klipsch, the Gig. I ordered this about 2 years ago, and you know, it's been a great Bluetooth speaker. It does everything I could ask for a portable speaker. The only downside I have for it is, you know, the bass response is lacking, and I don't feel that full roomy sound out of it. It's good for, you know, traveling or whatever else, but I would like something that's a bit more extravagant, a little bit more elegance to it, a little bit better sound, a little more room filling. So I ended up going to Corey, who is my Klipsch dealer from Paducah, Kentucky. I'll leave a link for the company that he works for down below, as well as link the Facebook group so you all can check him out, because he's awesome service. They're always there to help me. Corey is always a great person to work with. And I'm also on the Klipsch Facebook page. It's called Klipsch Owners. So if you all want to check that out as well, I will link it there. Just be sure, you know, if you have Klipsch speakers, we want you in there. It's a really great group. But today, we're going to be unboxing the One by Klipsch, and that's basically all it is today, is an unboxing. I'll do a sound test of the Gig versus the One in probably a few days here, and then later on I will be going in and doing the RP 160Ms and 450C review when I get back home. But here we go, off to the unboxing. Wow, look at that. I think the sucker, good beer. Check this out. Klipsch the One. It's a Heritage line speaker. That is the box you're going to be getting with it. Lovely. Alright, so yeah, this is a part of their Heritage series. Very classic looking. I got this one in ebony. Alright, open this up. Power brick to charge everything. 3.5mm jack in case you want to connect your phone or your TV to it. The instructions booklet and potentially warranty stuff. And then very minimalist packaging. The One itself. This box out of here. Oh man. Wow. That is gorgeous. Oh man, that is beautiful. Check this out. Look at that. Wood veneer. This is ebony. As you can see, copper lining here. It's got for the controls and everything. I haven't charged this yet, so it's probably not going to turn on. There's like a fabric weaving, the Klipsch logo, which Paul W. Klipsch, if you know about him. And then you have all of your details on the speaker itself, as well as the Indianapolis skyline down here. That is my hometown right now. And wow, that's the comparison to the Gig, size-wise. That is nuts. That is nuts. As for the sound, like I said, I'll do a sound test later. Sound test later will come along and be comparing the sound of this to the One itself. The reasoning behind me getting this was just basically to, you know, if I'm in the, I don't know, the bathroom, more than likely just around the house, or if I want to play games or something and I don't want something to destroy my gaming experience and I want to listen to something with a little bit of a bass response, a little bit more fun, I can do this when I'm not really going hardcore, just playing like Rocket League or something. But already impressed. The build quality is beautiful. This wood veneer, this ebony wood veneer is gorgeous. Overall, very impressed. I can't wait to get this turned on, all hooked up, and listening to it. But hope you all enjoyed this video. Once again, I'll be doing a sound test later. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Especially subscribe, trying to get more people to watch my videos, trying to push out more content. I'm sure you all noticed. But yeah, I appreciate you all, and I hope you all have a great day, great evening, whatever it may be where you're watching this from, and I'll talk to you all later.